Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to study physics kinematics. First, focus on grasping the basic definitions of motion, such as displacement, velocity, and acceleration. These are the building blocks. Next, commit the three main kinematic equations to memory. They are essential tools. Finally, learn to carefully extract the given information and what you need to find from each problem. This systematic approach will simplify your study. Once you know the equations, the next step is applying them effectively. Choose the appropriate equation by looking at the variables you have and the one you need to find. Remember that direction matters, so be mindful of positive and negative signs for velocity and acceleration. Start with simpler one-dimensional problems to build confidence before moving to more complex scenarios. To truly master kinematics, develop strong problem-solving habits. Always begin by drawing a simple diagram to visualize the motion. This helps immensely. Then, create a clear list of all your known values and the unknown variable you're solving for. After calculating, take a moment to check if your answer makes sense in the real world and if the units are correct. This reduces errors. Consistent practice is key to success in kinematics. Regularly work through a wide range of problems, from basic to more challenging ones. Don't just solve them. Review your mistakes to understand where your understanding might be weak. If you get stuck, don't hesitate to ask your teacher or classmates for help. Collaboration can often clarify difficult concepts and reinforce your learning.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.